Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying a narrow niche and one clear audience persona. That focus drives which affiliate offers convert. Once chosen, set up an email service provider and a single opt-in funnel with a lead magnet, free or paid, to capture emails fast. Make 3 templates: a welcome, a value-packed follow-up, and a soft affiliate pitch. As you build, segment subscribers by interest tags so you can send targeted affiliate pitches later. Make sure to map a 7-14-day initial sequence. Now you craft the middle of the funnel. Create sequences that educate, compare solutions, and present a clear call to action. Once done, tag subscribers by behavior, opens, clicks, and conversions so you can send tailored affiliate offers. Test subject lines, CTA copy, and send times using a /B splits, and monitor 3 KPIs: open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate. Make sure to rotate offers every 4-6 weeks, and use social proof and short case studies to raise trust before each pitch. Finish by scaling what works. Amplify winning funnels with paid traffic, cross-promotions, or influencer partnerships while keeping deliverability and list health high. Once scaled, add scarcity, bonuses, and precise tracking links so you know which creatives sell. Make sure to continue sending value between pitches to reduce churn. If conversions drop, troubleshoot by auditing your email copy, landing page alignment with the offer, tracking links, and deliverability. Run a seed list check and re-engage inactive subscribers before removing them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.